You can absolutely have your coffee and eat it too with this 3-ingredient recipe. This 3-ingredient cappuccino candy, cups, or bite, whatever you want to call it. Prepare the pans you're going to use. Spray and line a loaf pan or a 9x9 or a 9x12 with parchment or wax paper, or place cup liners in a muffin pan. Get together whatever you're going to use for your double boiler. Any kind of bowl or pan that you can set over a pan of simmering water will work. Pour 1 can of sweetened condensed milk into the top of your double boiler and stir in 1½ tablespoons of instant coffee. Now, if you like more coffee taste, you could probably put 2 tablespoons. Now, at this point, you can either stand over the double boiler, constantly stirring to prevent it from scorching, maybe 30 minutes until all the instant coffee is dissolved, or let the coffee and sweetened condensed milk hang out together with no heat, 45 minutes to an hour, with you occasionally whisking it until all the instant coffee is dissolved and blended into the sweetened condensed milk. Place your bowl on top of simmering water. Stir in 3 cups, which is 18 ounces, of vanilla-flavored bacon chips or white vanilla-flavored melting wafers, whichever your brand is calling it. Stir over the simmering water until the chips are about 75% melted, and then remove it from the heat and continue to stir until all the chips are melted and the mixture is smooth. Now, if the mixture starts to get too thick, just place it back on top of the hot water. Now, you want to spread it quickly into your prepared pans, or you can spoon it into your cupcake liners. Okay, now you want to refrigerate this for several hours. Overnight is okay to firm up, and cut it into your desired sizes. A larger pan's going to make thinner bites. A smaller pan's going to make thicker bites. Now, if using the paper liners, you want to tear off the paper liners. And now I placed them in a new cup liner and wrapped them and labeled them. Okay, the recipe is 1 can of sweetened condensed milk, 3 cups or 18 ounces of melted wafers or white bacon chips, and 1½ tablespoons of instant coffee. Now, isn't that easy? Homemade cooking is surprisingly easy, healthier for you and your family, saves you money, and tastes great. Like, subscribe, and share for even more of these recipes.